Are you experiencing frequent drain clogs? Does water keep backing up into your shower, toilet or sinks? If your drains aren't flowing, or draining very slowly, your pipe might be blocked. A sewer rotting is a cost-effective solution. Sewer rotting can't be performed without the right equipment. Strong and durable, yet flexible rods are used. And it shouldn't be performed by anyone other than an experienced plumber to avoid potential damage to your pipes. Sewer rotting can cut through most types of clogs. This includes hair clogs, grease clogs, tree root intrusions and more. In the end, our sewer camera inspection service can show you the fixed problem. If you are experiencing these kind of problems, reach out to us to find out how sewer rotting can help you. Contact us today.